Hi everyone, welcome back to Lizzie Lou Lovecraft. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make the foundation half double crochet, otherwise known as the FHDC. Just like the foundation single crochet, this method creates the starting chain and the half double crochets alongside in the first row. It's great for projects that need a little more height than the single crochet, but just gives you this nice, neat but slightly stretchier edge. We begin with a slip knot, and 2 chains, again slightly loose working. We work into the first, let's move that, let's work into the first chain, but this time we yarn over first, work into the first chain, yarn over, pull through. We now have 3 loops on the hook. We yarn over, pull through the first one to create the standing chain. We still have 3 loops on the hook. We yarn over and pull through those 3 loops that are on the hook. And that is our half double. So we yarn over again. We work through the standing chain we created, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, we yarn over, pull through 1 only to create the second chain, we yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and there's our second half double. So yarn over, didn't give myself enough room there, but yarn over, pull through the chain we made, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, first loop only, 3rd chain, 3 loops to finish, and don't let go. And you just keep going for as many half doubles as you need. Can get a bit fiddly, as you see. I've missed, I hate this wool. This wool is not cooperating. But no, just keep practicing and you'll eventually pick it up nice and quickly. But you see, it's a nice even stitch. And it's pretty fun and easy to do. Just takes a bit of practice. But that's it, the foundation half double crochet. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crochet tutorials and patterns. Thanks for watching and happy hooking.